Did you know that up to 90% of scalpers blow their accounts within the first 3 months? And no, it is not because they're using bad strategies. It is because they have no clue how to manage their capital. Let me ask you this. If you're in a scalp trade and the price starts moving against you, what do you do? Do you double down to make up the loss? Do you just sit there hoping it turns around? Or do you do something else? If you're ever done one of the two I just mentioned, your account is living on borrowed time. But that stops today, because I'm about to show you 3 professional money management techniques. These techniques are tailor-made for scalpers in 2025. Techniques that protect your account, reduce stress, and actually put you in a position to grow your capital consistently. Let's get into the first one, the 1% rule. This one separates the survivors from the wreckage. Most amateur scalpers throw huge position sizes at the market. It feels exciting until the market flips and their account evaporates. So say you've got 1,000 and you risk $50 per trade. That's 5%. Lose a few in a row and suddenly your account is in free fall. And what do most people do then? They try to recover it all in one big trade and blow up the rest. Pros don't play that game. They use the 1% rule. Never risk more than just 1% of your capital on a single trade. With a $1,000 account, that is $10. Even if you lose 10 times in a row, you still have 90% of your account intact. More importantly, you're not panicking, you're not gambling, you're thinking clearly and trading smart. But here's the thing, risking only 1% won't save you if your reward is smaller than your risk. That brings us to technique number 2, a risk-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So let's break this down. If you're risking $10 to make 5 and you win half your trades, guess what? You're still losing money. That is the trap most people fall into. But if you flip that, risking $10 to make 20 or 30, everything changes. Now, even if you're right only 4 times out of 10, you're still profitable. This is why pro traders obsess over their ratios. It's not about winning every trade, which is virtually impossible. It's about setting up trades where the wins outweigh the losses, mathematically speaking. So, if you haven't been checking your risk to reward on every single trade, start today. It is one of the fastest ways to level up your trading. Now, let's get to the third and final technique. And it's the one that saves your entire month when things go wrong. Setting a daily loss limit. So tell me, does this sound familiar? You start the day with a few bad trades. You're frustrated, maybe even angry. And instead of walking away, you keep trading. You try to recover. You double down. But the market doesn't care. You end up digging a deeper hole and eventually the dreaded margin call hits. Professionals don't do this. They avoid the spiral by following a simple rule. If I hit my daily loss limit, I stop trading no matter what. That limit is usually between 2 or 3% of the total account. So with 1,000, that would be a $20 or $30 loss. Once you hit that number, shut it down, walk away. Come back tomorrow with a clear head. Because once emotion takes over, your decision making is toast. And likely your account will follow. So let's wrap this up. If you want to survive and even thrive as a scalper in 2025, here are the 3 rules to live by. First, the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your account on any single trade. Second, the 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 ratio. For every dollar you risk, aim to make $2 or $3. And third, set a daily loss limit and stick to it no matter what your emotions say. These rules aren't suggestions, they are actually the foundation of consistent trading. And yes, they take discipline, but they also take your trading from gambling to a repeatable professional system. So, here's your challenge. which of these were you not doing before? And what is the one you're going to implement immediately? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you've got your own ideas for money management, don't keep it to yourself. Share it so others can learn it too. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video, and happy trading in 2025, because trading smart is the only way to win. Have a good one.